Here we are on the 8th Wednesday night session of the season. Although I struggled a little during the last session, I hope to bowl better tonight. I still need to do a better job of making single pin spares. But despite my recent spare inconsistencies, this has been one of my highest averaging quarters since I've been bowling league. I expect that I will finish this first quarter next week, having reached all but one of my end of season goals. Game 1 felt good. The first frame started with what I felt was an unlucky 4-6 split, but the 10th frame ended with what I felt was a lucky Brooklyn strike. I think I pretty much got what I deserved for all of the other frames. I seem to be somewhat dialed in. I'm hoping that my performance from Game 1 will carry over to Game 2. My accuracy during Game 2 wasn't nearly as good as it was in the first game. I missed a couple of spares that I should have made, but luckily I was able to string a few strikes together towards the end, which kept Game 2 from being a complete disaster. I hope that I can get back on track for Game 3 and finish the series strong. I feel pretty fortunate to have bowled a 220 during Game 3 because my accuracy didn't increase much during the first half of the game in comparison to my performance from Game 2. I began to do better in the second half of the game, however. But unfortunately, I had a couple of splits at the very end of the game that could have yielded me a few extra total pins. At the end of next week's session, I'll announce my new goals for the second quarter. For anyone that has made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching.